Hey, Tyler here, the Cash Flow Guys podcast. In this video, we're going to learn about how to calculate a mortgage payment on a property you're getting ready to buy. And here we go. You're going to start by using the 10B2 financial calculator, If you look here across the top, I know there's a lot of numbers to look at. A lot of things are confusing. We're going to dumb it down real easy. We're only going to focus on the top 5 letters, top 5 buttons across the top, and of course the numeric portion of the calculator. N stands for number of payments per year. I/YR stands for interest rate per year. PV stands for present value. PMT stands for payment. And FV stands for future value. Let's start with N. We're going to talk about a 30-year mortgage. So 30-year mortgage is 360 payments. How I calculated that was I went 30, multiply 30 by 12, which gives me 360. So we're going to do 360 payments and hit N. Now interest rate per year. Let's say that we're told the interest rate is going to be 5%. So we're going to hit the 5 key and then I/YR, okay? I/YR. And let's say we're going to borrow $100,000. So we'll type 100,000 in the calculator and then push the PV button. And let's say the future value, this is fully amortized, which means at the end of the 30 years, there will be no balance remaining. So we will hit 0 for no future value. And what's left is what we're solving for. We don't know the payment. That's why we're doing the calculation. We're going to hit the payment key. It tells us that the payment will be $536.82 for a 30-year loan, fully amortized, 5% interest. This comes from, this app is put out by In a Day Development. If you go to inadaydevelopment.com and purchase it from them or from the iTunes store or the Google Play Store, they've got tons of videos. You could do far more complex calculations. I'm not convinced that you're going to necessarily need those as a real estate investor, but if you want to geek out on the financial math, go ahead. You can do it right on their website, In a Day Development. If you found this video helpful, please make sure you like this video and subscribe. If there's more things you want to learn, leave them in the comments below. Hit the thumbs up button, and thanks for coming out and joining me. Have a great day.